Hello. Good morning. It's 24 degrees. Let's turn this down. It's down. Come on. It's 24 degrees. We got about 4.5 inches, I think, in Ankeny. 3, 4. I don't know. What's everybody's gauges say? Few. It's definitely wet. Snow blower. I have one of the smaller, is it called a stage 1, the flippity flipper snow blowers, and it worked. If I turned the spout too far to the side, it would jam up, so I kind of had to pull it forward, but it worked. The high's 35 today, and I believe it's 45-ish tomorrow, so it'll be good. Hello, Mr. John Miller. Your granddaughter did amazing baptizing someone yesterday. That was the highlight of my day yesterday. Hoping to have children like that. Okay, anyways. So I think this isn't going to be too bad because the ground was probably kind of warm. We'll see. There is a 2-hour delay. Also, everyone I play basketball with every Monday has said they're out, which just shoveled a bunch of snow and killed their back. Maybe. Because their kids are school canceled or there's a 2-hour delay. Maybe. Because Pastor is flying out to California today. So they did plow. Seems okay. What I'm really thinking about right now is all these people that just got hit by a tornado a couple days ago. Saturday. And now there's 5 inches of snow on top of everything while they're trying to fix everything. So that's not cool. This isn't too bad. It's a little slushy, a little icy. They sprayed some of these streets. I'm guessing as soon as we get out on this main road, it's going to be totally fine. Totally fine. You just wait and see. I should have brushed that chunk of snow off the front of the car. I swept the car. I used the snowblower. It got a little jammed, but I got it working. I had to sweep my car off because there was that much snow on it. And then I remote started it for about 5 minutes and then came out and scraped. Scraping wasn't bad. It wasn't super hard. It was halfway soft, so hopefully it warms up and melts it. Although it's overcast, so it's probably not going to melt it that much. And I think, is it Wednesday night? We're supposed to get another 4 inches? So this is the time of year, you got April showers, spring, May flowers. So March is the month before those April showers where it's transitioning. So we usually get some nice big dumps of snow that melt within a few days and then does it again. And so this is Magazine headed west, which is probably about 25% covered or so. Not bad. A little slushy. They've got it sprayed. Not going to be a lot of traffic because there's a 2-hour delay in Ankeny schools. It's definitely confusing when just the other day we're riding the motorcycle, 65-degree weather. And then today my hands are freezing from snow blowing. But I'm guessing, especially if you have 4-wheel drive, but I'm guessing you probably don't have to shovel. The next couple days it'll be melted. But, if you're having people over or you don't have 4-wheel drive, it might be kind of annoying. Snowplows are out. Saw a snowplow. Yeah, this is pretty covered right here. Wow. Okay, I'm not impressed with the status of this road. This is Highway 69 and Ankeny Boulevard. You know, there's some school buses. We've got a snowplow up here ahead of us. But this road's definitely worse than that side road. Wow. I am surprised. Get a little shot of this snowplow here. Cleaning off the road. Stay back. It doesn't say that, but it probably should. Or it probably does, it's just covered in snow. There you go, you get a nice cool shot of the snowplow this morning, huh? Yeah. Can I zoom in? Oh yeah, we can zoom in. There you go. Get a little zoom in shot of the snowplow. That's what you all wanted to see this morning. Oh, Carson didn't get a hug this morning? I think you were in bed, bro. Were you in bed? No, you gave me my coffee. Oh, I didn't even bring my coffee with. That's sad. I'm very sad that I didn't get a hug. Okay, well, excuse me, Mr. Snowplow. I'm gonna go around you. You're good, you're good, you're good. Wow, this is ice, man. See, this is probably worse because people have been driving on it where my side streets aren't as bad. You can have my coffee. You can have it. I'll get some at work. Okay, well now I can see why they delayed school. This is a little nasty. I mean, for kids driving and people driving from out of town. And did DMAC 2-hour delay? I wonder. Ooh, that light's changing, but I'm gonna just go. It's also apparently windy. That windmill is cooking. Dude, look at the wheels on that car. That thing is slammed down. We've got black rims. Pretty sweet. Yep, everybody's getting here to DMAC. So we're currently at Southwest or Labor and DMAC. Roads are 100% covered. I'm really, really surprised. I thought the roads were going to be completely fine. Huh. Well, I mean, they're obviously travelable. Everyone's out here. In their 2-wheel drives, and their 4-wheel drives, and their rear-wheel drives, and their Jeeps. But I mean, traffic's not super bad, like slow moving. I think it's because Ankeny schools are still 2-hour delayed, so that's probably part of it. Let's give you a little zoom in here. How's that? That look good? That looks pretty good. I'm assuming that's using the image stabilized zoom in camera, because that looks pretty good. I had some people ask me on Sunday why I wasn't out storm chasing when the tornadoes hit. And I said, well, that's because I have 5 children. Because I used to storm chase back in the day. Now I don't do that so much. Okay, so now we are at State and or Labor. Well, this looks better. What? I'm so confused. Now it's like they sprayed this. So some of these are county or state or city roads. So that has a lot to do with it. Like, I'm guessing Highway 69 is state. Or is that the same as county? State, county, whatever. Same difference. Like, look at this road. This road is way more, like, has been sprayed way more. I mean, it's super slush. Look at that car slushing it. It's like hoofing it, but they're slushing it. But this would be like a county or a state road. I think this would be a county road. I think 69 would be a state road, but I don't know. So this is State Street, aka 2nd Avenue. Let's take a back road through Saylorville Township and see how it is over there. This side of the road's not great. Okay, I'm gonna turn and go back in this neighborhood. This turning lane's not great. It's like off-roading. It's like chunky and they usually waylay this road with sand. Yep. This road. Look at this road. This road's better. Look at how beautiful it is right here. This is just amazing. Can you imagine living right here? Anybody? Yep. We all know who lives right there to the left. That amazing singer from today. Yeah, so like this is county. So this is like way better taken care of. And I think that was that a Sadell bus or an Ankeny bus? Is Sadell also 2-hour delay? This road's about 50%. Excuse my wipers, sorry. Still haven't gotten those replaced yet. Okay, well that's a way to repair your fence. This is better. This isn't bad. Yeah, it's just very random. All of a sudden, now see, like this corner, they don't want people to crash, so they've treated it way better. Weird. There's a school bus. I saw a school bus, and it's 9 o'clock, so that must mean they were 2-hour delayed. The only bad part about this is now there's going to be sand all over the road again for when it's warm for the motorcycle. That's a bummer. Because that heavy rain had washed it all down to like right near all the gutters yesterday. Let's see how the church is. I heard they were plowing. We're going to have to find a spot to park. Mark told me, but I can't remember what he said. Yeah, so see, this road's not super great. This would be 6th Drive. 6th Drive in Saylorville Township. Headed south. I heard there was more snow south. So Ames, 3 inches or so, maybe. I'm guessing. Ankeny 4.5. Des Moines was 5 plush-ish. Almost there. We're gonna make it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's totally doable. You'll be fine. Give yourself some time to clean off your sidewalk, driveway, brush off your car, maybe get it started a little early, and you'll need a little bit more time, but it's not too bad. Okay, is this parking lot clear? It looks like it's clear. This is 6th Avenue, turning into the church. They already got this all plowed off. Woo! Okay then. Let's see if I can get back in here. Well, hopefully you all have a wonderful day playing in the snow, shoveling, and driving in this weather. And get ready for some more coming, I think, Wednesday. Have a nice day.